Hello everyone. In this video today are two very important things I'm going to show you in this video. One of them is how to use a PixelLab file template, like editable file in PixelLab, how to download them from the link I'll be leaving in the video description, how you use them how you can download this file and open them in your PixelLab and edit them. So this is the link. In case you see the link on my video description is not working, this is how you open the link and get the file. So this is an ID card, a PixelLab template in PixelLab. So after you open the link, you saw that please wait notification, you allow it to load. After that, then you press skip ad. After you press on skip ad, you see the link will open like this. So you wait for some time, wait for some seconds, like just 30 seconds. You wait. If you cannot wait, you can skip to 1 minute 30 second part of the video. But the reason why I'm showing you this is for you to know how to open link in my video description in case you are unable to open them. So you wait for some time. The link, the media file link will load and open like this. This is a ID card design template in PixelLab. So it's in zip file. So you click on download there. After you click on download, you see below your browser you see the file downloading. After the file download, you see 1.6 MB. That's the file, the ID card format file in PixelLab. To download it. The link will be in the video description also. Like everything I'm going to download in this video, the link will be in the video description. So after you install your zip file archiver from a Play Store, the next thing you're going to do, you wait. After installation, you click on open. After you open, you go to your download folder, you locate where you download there's a zip file, then you click on extract. You see extract there, you click on extract. Then again, after you click on extract, you click at the top, then you click on device, and you scroll down to the folder. It is a PixelLab folder. If you already installed PixelLab in your mobile phone, you have this folder. Click on the PixelLab folder and you go to preset. And on the preset there, you extract your file there. Just click on apply or then replace. Immediately you extract your file. You discover that the name of the file will be ID template. So you head up to your PixelLab, you open your PixelLab, then you click on my project, and you see nice ID template there at the top of the screen there. So that is the file. So you can edit this ID template and put your name. You use it for you can use it for whatever ID card template. Design ID card, like no free graphics design ID card. So thank you for watching. More tutorial be coming up on sign graphics. So I hope the tutorial will show you a lot of things about PixelLab and how you can use template and how you can download from the link in my video description also. Thank you for watching.